Hey, welcome to TravelFacts. Today, we're raising a glass to the best wine regions to visit around the world. Whether you're a wine lover, a foodie, or just love beautiful landscapes, these destinations are made for you. So grab a glass, sit back, and let's get started. Number 7. Bordeaux, France. Our journey begins in Bordeaux, the capital of the region of the same name. Famous for world-class reds and elegant chateaux, it's one of the most historic wine regions on Earth. The rolling vineyards of Bordeaux are where you'll find some of the most prestigious wines in the world, including the famous Chateau Lafite Rothschild. The region also boasts stunning chateaux like Chateau Margaux and Chateau d'Yquem, which are not only architectural gems, but also winemaking powerhouses. Don't forget to try the local specialty, cannels, a sweet pastry that's perfect for dipping into a glass of sauternes. Region number 6, Tuscany, Italy. Next, we travel to Tuscany, the heart of Italy's wine country. Rolling hills, medieval towns, and vineyards producing Chianti and Brunello make this one of the most romantic places to sip wine. Imagine strolling through vineyards that have been producing wine for centuries, all while taking in the breathtaking views of the Tuscan landscape. You can visit famous wineries like Antinori, producer of the famous Chianti Classico, or try the full-bodied red wines of the smaller producers. And of course, no trip to Tuscany is complete without a stop at the charming town of San Gimignano, famous for its medieval architecture and stunning views. Napa Valley, USA. At number 5, Napa Valley. California's wine country is all about bold Cabernets, luxury tastings, and scenic drives through endless vineyards. This region is world-renowned for its premium wines and stunning scenery. You can take a hot air balloon ride over the vineyards or go on a wine tasting tour, visiting some of the more than 400 wineries in the area. Don't forget to try the famous Zinfandel, a fruity and spicy wine that's unique to California. And when you get hungry, visit one of the many farm-to-table restaurants serving up delicious meals made with locally sourced ingredients. Mendoza, Argentina. Mendoza sits at the foot of the Andes, famous for Malbec. It combines stunning mountain views with award-winning wineries. This region is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, with plenty of hiking, skiing, and snowboarding in the nearby Andes Mountains. You can also visit the Aconcagua Provincial Park, home to the highest peak outside of the Himalayas. Of course, no trip to Mendoza is complete without a visit to a winery. Try the famous Malbec, a full-bodied red wine that's perfect for pairing with grilled meats and the local specialty, asado. Douro Valley, Portugal. Then, Douro Valley. Carved by the Douro River, its terraced vineyards produce the world's best port wine and breathtaking scenery. This region is famous for its port wine, a fortified wine that's perfect for sipping on a cool evening. You can also explore the many wineries and vineyards in the area, taking in the stunning views of the terraced vineyards that have been carved into the hillsides. Don't forget to try the local cuisine, which features fresh seafood and traditional Portuguese dishes like bacalhau e brás. Cape Winelands, South Africa. South Africa's Cape Winelands combine dramatic landscapes with some of the most affordable and flavorful wines in the world. This region is known for its diverse winemaking industry, with everything from classic Bordeaux blends to unique varieties like Pinetage. You can visit wineries like De Laer Graaf, known for its stunning views of the surrounding mountains, or enjoy a picnic in the vineyards at Erniel's Wines. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even go wine tasting on a bicycle, visiting different wineries and taking in the breathtaking scenery along the way. Rioja, Spain. And number 1, Rioja. With centuries-old traditions, bold red wines, and charming towns, it's a paradise for wine lovers. This region is famous for its red wines, including the Rioja Crianza and the Rioja Reserva, which are aged in oak barrels for several years before being released. You can explore the many wineries in the Rioja region, including Marcs de Murrieta, one of the oldest and most respected wineries in Spain. And don't forget to try the local cuisine, which features delicious tapas and traditional Spanish dishes like paella. There you have it, the best wine regions to visit around the world. Which one is on your bucket list? comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel facts every week. Until next time, happy travels and remember to drink responsibly. Cheers!